site visit. Wow, so many things purchased. Wow, so many things. Our tiles. That's for our kitchen, wet kitchen. Yes. Oh, and there. Oh, there's a hole there. Down where? Down here, nice sofa area. And gonna change all the window. And here, oopsie. Going to seal up everything. Going to change the dustbin also.
翻译过来的应该是再抽烟的，那这个是。
没有，那是 before that 那个人就已经有了。Yeah. So we remove the first layer over here because we want to make it straight and it's nicer. Then we're gonna remove our parquet flooring from our stairs all the way to our room. Wow, this is so dangerous. Okay, let's go up. And I think here also quite empty already, or not yet. Okay. Now the things here and also here. And this part we're going to hack away. So still waiting for approval. Then here. Wow, this part, the wall, we're also gonna hack away because we're gonna combine our toilet. Oops. Toilet window. Okay. Aircon is down. We're gonna change our position to maybe this area over here. Then here, I think maybe gonna box up or conceal the pipe. So need to change the whole pipe. If not, it's going to be very, very ugly. Okay, so here the toilet, we're gonna extend to make it bigger. Extend until here, maybe. Then we got space. Yes, until here. So when yes. Then here we will have my laundry area. Yes.
Wall. Put a black spot right here. And over here will be where we cook. All the way up.
Full height.